How to read all mails in Gmail in iPhone. So if I open my Gmail app, and as you can see, here is no option to select all mails at once. So read all your mails at once, you have to open your mail app, and before that go to your settings and search for mail. Once you get it, tap on mail, tap on accounts, tap on add account, select Google, continue, and all you have to need, just give it your Gmail account and sign in to your Gmail account. And after that, go to your mail app, and I'm gonna selecting here Gmail, and now tap on edit at the top right, tap on select all, tap on mark as read, and now if I open my Gmail app, and as you can see, all mails are marked read. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.